विशेष रूप से ध्यान दिया जाता है। हमारे केंद्रीय विद्यालय में योग शिक्षा शारीरिक एवं मानसिक रूप से स्वस्थ रहें। इन क्रियाओं एवं आसनों से बच्चों की स्मरण शक्ति का विकास होता है, बुद्धि एवं धैर्य का विकास होता है, नेत्र शक्ति बढ़ती है, सुनने की शक्ति एवं एकाग्रता बढ़ती है, इच्छा शक्ति बढ़ती है, शरीर लचीला एवं सुदृढ़ होता है। इसका लाभ हमारे विद्यालय के बच्चों को प्रत्यक्ष रूप से यह मिला है कि शिक्षा का स्तर काफी ऊपर उठ गया है।
जो हरियाणा के करनाल निर्वाचन क्षेत्र से निर्वाचित हुई। आप शपथ ग्रहण करेंगे या प्रतिज्ञा करेंगे?
Having been elected as a member of youth parliament, solemnly affirm as a writer in his book Toward a Beautiful Country.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I have immense pleasure to introduce to you and through you to the House my new colleagues, the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Darpan Gola.
Data on
record. In this respect, see what specific measures have been adopted by the government to keep check on such utterly undesirable instances of juvenile violence. D.
Under the Ministry of Education to take a multi-pronged approach to tackle this monstrous problem. D. Yes, the government has constituted a high-order committee headed by
in cases of against and violence among the school children. B. Is she aware of growth of criminal attitudes among the tender age?
Education. Fifth, outdoor and overexposure to pornographic literature on internet and other allied sources without proper guidance to handle.
पीएम केयर फॉर चिल्ड्रन स्कीम के अंतर्गत केंद्रीय विद्यालयों में कितने बच्चों ने प्रवेश लिया है?
Question number 103, Miss Abha, please.
दिल्ली के प्रसिद्ध समाचार पत्र ने गंभीर रूप से विशेष अधिकारों को भंग किया है। समाचार पत्र ने बेईमानी के उद्देश्यों का
Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport for the year 2022 to 2023. B. Detailed demand for grants of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport.
Madam, I have to report the following message from the Secretary of the Upper Chamber of Youth Parliament. In accordance with provisions of rules of procedures and conduct of business in the
Essential commodities like food grains, pulses, milk, sugar and vegetables. I would like to ask, what step has the government taken to put an end to this disorder? Honorable Speaker Madam, as we all know, the price of kerosene, gas, CNG, LPG and petroleum in
महोदया, जब से यह सरकार सत्ता में आई है, तब से महंगाई लगातार बढ़ती ही जा रही है। जीवन निर्वाह की वस्तुओं की कीमतों में लगातार वृद्धि हो रही है।
आप लोगों के लिए आया हूँ, जिन्होंने बड़े विश्वास के साथ मुझे चुना कि उनकी समस्याओं को आपके सामने मैं रख।
Honorable members, I have to make an announcement on my behalf and the honorable members of the House. I have immense joy in extending a warm welcome to the General Secretary of the Department of Industries in South Korea and the leader of the delegation of industrial experts from South Korea, Ms. Kim Chae-young, and also one of the members of the delegation, Mr. Park Jin-hyun.
and persons related with it for the purpose of identification and investigation in criminal matters.
The question before the House is whether the leave be granted to the Honorable Minister or not.
lost. Honorable Speaker Madam, it is a matter of great pleasure and elation that the bill under question.
The question before the House is the bill to provide more effective prevention of the bill be passed or not. Those in favor will say aye, those against will say no.
Aye.
I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion adopted. The bill is passed. Private members resolution. Mr. Himanshu, please.
पश्चिमी क्षेत्र के जैसलमेर जिले में ये सभा सरकार से आग्रह करती है कि समस्या से उभरने के लिए राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एक समयबद्ध व्यापक योजना बनाई जाए, जहां एक और मेरा देश उस चांद को छूने का दावा।
The huge pollution in rivers and the water bodies, the Ganga and Yamuna river has highly contaminated water. The report says that the agencies responsible for checking has failed. Madam Speaker, I doubt whether this government is really serious about this regard.
Bodies in water development, security and security schemes. It will be strengthened. A cadre of professionals will be created to spread mass awareness about water scarcity and water pollution.
The House stands adjourned till tomorrow.